What if you could ask a computer to paint a picture that has never existed? Today, you can. That is generative AI. In the next 3 minutes, you will see what makes it different, how it dreams up new things, and what it can create for you. Let us dive in. Most AI you have met is good at sorting. It looks at something and it labels it. Is this a cat or a dog? Is this email spam or safe? Generative AI does the opposite. It does not just sort what already exists, it creates something new. Ask it for a poem and it writes one. Ask for a logo and it draws one. The word generative simply means it generates. It makes. So, how does a machine create? It is not copying and pasting. Picture a musician who has studied thousands of songs. They have soaked up the patterns, the rhythms, the way a melody rises and falls. Now they can sit down and improvise a brand new tune. Generative AI learns the same way. It studied a huge ocean of examples and learned the patterns inside them. Then it remixes those patterns into something fresh. Here is the magic moment. You type a simple request in plain words. We call that a prompt. You write a calm beach at sunset and seconds later a new image appears. You write explain gravity to a 10-year-old and a clear little lesson flows out. One sentence in, something new comes out. And it is fast. What once took a designer hours or a writer a whole afternoon can now appear in seconds. That does not replace your taste, it hands you a running start. You spend your time choosing and polishing instead of staring at a blank page. And it is not only words and pictures. Generative AI can write code, draft an email, compose music, even brainstorm ideas with you. Tools like Claude are built for exactly this. You bring the idea. It helps you make it real. One thing to remember, it is creating a confident guess, not looking up a fact. So it is brilliant for first drafts and ideas, and you stay the editor. So, in short, regular AI sorts and labels, generative AI creates. It learned patterns from millions of examples, and now it can turn your words into something new. Next up, we will open the engine behind the chatbots you love. It is called a large language model. If this was helpful, subscribe. We are making all of AI this simple.